Oh no, Zoe forgot to use a napkin.
Uh-oh, spaghetti face. You've got sauce everywhere. Hee hee, oops.
Zoe takes a big bite.
Oh no, I'm messy. It's okay, Zoe. We all get messy. Yeah, it's no big deal. Don't worry, Zoe. I can help clean you up. Wow! First, unfold the napkin. Okay, unfold it. Next, dab, 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 dab. Rub, don't charge. Don't write job, Zoe. Thank you. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, all clean. You did it, Zoe. Thanks, now it's your turn. Okay, in the bin. I did it. Yay, you did it. You did it, Zoe. Now I can clean up like a big kid. Yay! Can you use a napkin too? Bye, friends.